Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix there was an error playing the video in WhatsApp. Please watch full video, so let's begin. Problem solved. Please like video and subscribe my channel for more interesting video. Thank you. Bye bye.